Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the publisher has been blocked error on your Windows computer. First, try to unblock the file directly. Go to the app that is showing the error. Right-click on it and click on Properties. In the General tab, look at the bottom for an option called Unblock. If you see it, check the box next to it. Then click Apply and click OK. Now try to open the app again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to turn off Smart Screen Protection. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Security, then open it. Click on App and Browser Control. After that, click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Here, turn off the option called Check Apps and Files. This will stop Windows from blocking unknown apps. If your app is still blocked, you can add it as an exclusion. Go back to Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Settings. Scroll down until you see Exclusions and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an exclusion and choose File or Folder, then select your blocked app. After doing these steps, your app should open without any issues. Thanks for watching.